video is how to do hand undulations for belly dancing. You want to start off by having your hands like this. This move can be done when you first come onto stage. That way you can be, or when you first start dancing, that way you can be mysterious and exotic. You want to start off by cupping your hand. You'll have a tendency to have it like this. Try and keep it in line with your arm and have it like you're cupping an orange. And you want to do these movements in front of your chest or even your face too. Just open up with a big, beautiful smile. But starting off, you want to just cup your hand, have your knuckles up, your fingers down, and then slowly you're going to lift up your knuckles, curl your fingers, and then straighten your fingers out. Have them curve up a little bit. And then just move along as you do it. Move your arm back, and then you want to practice doing it with both hands. So slowly, try it with me. We're going to go like this in front of the face. Now, you're beautiful. And just keep practicing until you get it. It takes a little getting used to. Remember, don't have your arm up like this. You can practice your proper belly dancing stance as you do it. Feet under the hips, knees bent, hips in, shoulders back, chest nice and open. We can try it to music now. And if you don't get it the first time, that's fine. Now do it up a little bit higher in front of your eyes. Practice with one hand first, just so that you get the hang of it. And then try it with two. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a better understanding of how to do the hand undulations. Please like, subscribe, and share so that you can see more videos. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.